Awkward to hide in front of friends when entering the PIN? Do you worry about home security when you're running errands or traveling out of town? We've created the PIN Genie Smart Lock with reshuffling technology, so you know your home is secure. With our magic PIN entry technology, no one will be able to guess your unique PIN, even if they're watching. With our PIN Genie Smart Lock, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is safe and secure. Use Airbnb or VRBO. Use the PIN Genie Smart Lock to assign temporary pins for guests. Using the PIN Genie app, visitors can enter their passcode once they arrive and are within Bluetooth range.
Hey, it worked!
Here's how it works. PIN Genie's patent-pending PIN pad not only condenses your 10-digit code into 4 buttons, but it also reshuffles after each use.
It shuffles the numbers like right after you put it in.
Snap, that's
Isn't
crazy.
that cool?
The PIN Genie Smart Lock makes it virtually impossible for unwelcome visitors to enter your home. After 3 failed attempts to enter your home, the PIN pad will be disabled for 1 hour. If an attempted break-in occurs, PIN Genie Smart Lock's alarm will be triggered. We've also included a unique traditional house key for family and friends who might not remember their unique PIN code. Whether you use the magic PIN pad, traditional key, or use your mobile device to unlock your PIN Genie Smart Lock, accessing your home is always convenient. Regular door locks are a thing of the past. We've done the research, designed prototypes, surpassed the home security standard with a variety of certifications. We are ready to mass produce our PIN Genie Smart Lock. Click the green button below to back our project and make your home safer and